I'm Ebony North for Investment Pitch Media. Peloton Minerals has, through its wholly owned subsidiary, Celerity Mineral Corporation, acquired 100% of privately held Westmount Resources. Westmount holds a 100% interest in 331 unpatented mineral claims called the Boulder Porphyry Property, located approximately 16 miles northeast of Butte, Montana, home of the historic Butte Mining District. According to Wikipedia, from 1880 through to 2005, the mines of Butte District have produced more than 9.6 million metric tons of copper, 2.1 million metric tons of zinc, 1.6 million metric tons of manganese, 381,000 metric tons of lead, 87,000 metric tons of molybdenum, 715 million troy ounces or 22,200 metric tons of silver, and 2.9 million ounces or 90 metric tons of gold. The Boulder property is also approximately 20 miles south-southwest of the Montana Tunnels, another large-scale former base and precious metal producer. The Butte, Boulder property, and Montana Tunnels are all situated along the northeast trending Great Falls Tectonic Zone, which is a continental scale, deep-seated, structural zone of crustal weakness that appears to have been intermittently active since the late Proterozoic and at times has tapped deep mantle melts. Most of the epithermal and porphyry metal occurrences in Montana are localized along this tectonic zone. The Butte, Boulder property, and Montana tunnels are along or adjacent to a similarly trending major magnetic low along the axis of the Great Falls Tectonic Zone. The Boulder property is known to contain a large copper-molybdenum porphyry system with the Boulder batholith and coeval Elkhorn Mountains volcanics, which is overlain by 300 to 2,100 feet of post-mineral lowland creek volcanics. As a result, the porphyry system on the Boulder property is not well exposed and is the least explored of these three magnetic low areas. Between 1965 and 1977, the Anaconda Company and Union Oil drilled 8 deep-core holes on the property into the Boulder batholith, based on the USGS regional magnetics and an Anaconda IP survey. These holes intersected a large porphyry system with low-grade copper mineralization. Continuous mineralized drill intercepts of between 1,255 and 1,614 feet, grading a weighted average of between 600 and 1,000 parts per million copper were intersected. Approximately 1 mile southwest of this drilling, OT Mining completed 3 deep core holes in 2004 and 2005, which intersected similar porphyry alteration and continuous copper mineralization with drill intersects between 1,242 and 2,630 feet, grading a weighted average of between 313 and 785 parts per million copper. To close the acquisition, the shareholders of Westmount Resources will receive 50% of Celerity, along with a promissory note in the amount of $600,000 US, payable in 1 year, and a 1% NSR. Celerity will self-fund its operations with plans to list on a Canadian exchange. Peloton shareholders will receive Celerity shares as a dividend. Edward Elwood, President and CEO, stated, "We have had our eye on this project for over 10 years and are thrilled that it is coming to us. It is an exciting exploration target with tremendous upside potential and fits extremely well with the potential of our Nevada Carlin-style gold projects, which we also continue to advance and remain excited about. As for the financing and structural strategy, we feel this is the best approach towards financing the project adequately while minimizing Peloton dilution. Any percentage of another Butte would be significant." The shares are trading at 11 cents. For more information on the company's portfolio of projects, please visit the company's website, pelotonminerals.com, or contact Ted Elwood, MBA, President and CEO, at 519-964-2836. I'm Ebony North for Investment Pitch Media.